Forget Bitcoin. Seriously. Because while everyone's still obsessing over it like it's 2017, a new digital currency is quietly creeping up. And it's not just going to compete, it's going to dominate. You've been lied to. You were told Bitcoin was the future, that it would replace cash, that it would disrupt banks, governments, and the entire global financial system. But here's the harsh truth. Bitcoin is slow, it's expensive, it's volatile, and it's become a digital version of gold. Sitting in wallets, not changing the world. So, what's really coming? What's about to flip the table on everything we know about money? 3 words: central bank digital currencies, CBDCs. You heard that right. The same central banks that once laughed at crypto, they're now building their own digital currencies. And these aren't theoretical experiments. China's already testing the digital yuan in major cities. The European Central Bank is working on the digital euro. And the US, it's coming. The Fed is researching something huge: FedNow and a potential digital dollar. Now here's where your brain might melt. CBDCs are not like Bitcoin. They're not decentralized, they're not mined, and they don't depend on anonymous code warriors running nodes in basements. These currencies are backed by governments, programmed by central banks, and they're about to give them the most insane level of control ever. Forget privacy. CBDCs can be tracked, timed, programmed. Imagine money that expires in 30 days. Or money that can only be spent on approved items. You think that sounds crazy? The Bank of England literally said they're exploring programmable money. Oh yeah, your dollars might one day come with terms and conditions. But here's the kicker. As terrifying as that sounds, it's genius for governments. Instant stimulus checks. No more waiting for paper money. No more lost transactions. Real-time tax collection, inflation control with a single code update. This is the financial nuclear bomb they've been dreaming of. And while crypto fans are yelling, "Decentralize everything," the world's biggest powers are doing the opposite. Let's be clear. Bitcoin paved the way. It made digital money a reality. But Bitcoin isn't built for everyday payments. It takes minutes to confirm a transaction and costs more in gas fees than your actual coffee. Meanwhile, CBDCs? They're built to scale. They're fast. They're cheap. They're designed for billions of people. And guess what? When China launched its digital yuan pilot, over 260 million people signed up. That's not hype. That's an invasion. This is no longer a crypto war, it's a currency war. And your wallet, it's about to be ground zero. So what makes these new digital currencies such a massive threat to Bitcoin? And honestly, to your financial freedom? One word: control. Because while Bitcoin screams freedom from the system, CBDCs are the system, and they're engineered to be insanely efficient, terrifyingly powerful, and unbelievably appealing to governments. They don't just allow faster payments, they allow programmable policies. Let that sink in. Programmable money. The government could literally airdrop you money, but with rules. This stimulus can only be spent on groceries. This amount expires in 15 days unless you spend it. This can't be used on travel or crypto or luxury goods. Your cash becomes code, and code has no mercy. In 2023, the IMF published a paper straight up saying CBDCs can be programmed to influence user behavior. What? That's not a conspiracy theory. That's straight from the source. So yeah, your money could soon tell you what to do. Then here's where things get wild. This isn't just about the US or China anymore. Over 130 countries are actively exploring CBDCs. That's over 98% of global GDP. We're not talking about some niche experiment. This is an economic revolution with a digital twist. And here's the twist of the twist. Private corporations are jumping in too. Visa, MasterCard, Stripe. They're all building the infrastructure to make CBDCs work seamlessly across apps, phones, smartwatches. Heck, maybe even your fridge one day. Imagine your fridge blocking you from ordering extra dessert because your health wallet ran out. Insane? Or inevitable? But, and this is a big but, people are starting to notice. Why would a government want total control of your money, your data, and your spending habits? Ask yourself, what happens when power gets centralized like that? You guessed it. The system stops serving you and starts controlling you. Now here's where it gets funny and horrifying. Crypto bros are yelling, "Buy the dip," while governments are like, "Nah, we'll just build the whole dip and make you use it." People who thought decentralization was unstoppable, suddenly realizing, Central banks still have the keys to the kingdom. And while Bitcoin maxes chant, "HODL," CBDCs are preparing to hack your habits, scan your spending, and predict your next move using AI and big data. This isn't sci-fi, this is right now. And if you think cash is your escape, newsflash. CBDCs could phase out paper money entirely. No more cash under the mattress. No more anonymous purchases. Just total visibility and total traceability. So here's the truth. Forget Bitcoin if you want, but don't sleep on what's coming next, because this new digital currency isn't just going to change your wallet. It's going to rewrite the rules of money itself.